Hi everyone, I'm Iqbal Samin Prithul. I'm a high school senior from Bangladesh. I joined Hack Club in May last year and I'm a Hack Club leader. We are a small Hack Club doing most of our workshops online and we have done some really fun projects together like making an AI second player in my tic-tac-toe game project or making a copy of the Geometrica website in JavaScript and so on. And a little bit about me. I love working with hardware and I've made a whole bunch of projects like radio controlled airplanes, a line follower robot, a CNC pen plotter machine that I got to show off at Lemur Fritz AMA, and even a whole 3D printer made completely out of scratch, which, by the way, was my main project during the summer of making last year. Thanks to the SOM fund, I got some really cool electronics for the 3D printer, and the printer works amazingly well. I still use it for making parts for my projects. I shared my progress on the 3D printer build on my scrapbook, and it was a great way to show off my work and make friends at Hack Club. My most recent project is this robot that balances only on 2 wheels. It's almost working now, but I'm still doing some experiments on it. It's just a really fun robot to play around with. The robot runs on an Arduino Nano that runs 2 stepper motors with these silent stepper motor drivers typically used in 3D printers. The Arduino can sense the orientation of the robot based on the data collected from the MPU 6050 gyroscope and accelerometer module. I made the robot body with 3D printed parts that I designed. I also made a custom PCB and got it printed from JLC PCB for this project. It was really fun working with my first custom-made PCB. And lastly, I made an app for this robot in MIT App Inventor, which lets me drive the robot around however I like. So these were some of my most favorite projects, and I really wish to keep making more of this because I really enjoy it. You can find me on Instagram or the Hack Club Slack at PRITHUL0218. Thanks for watching.